You are now tuned in to StroopTube TV.
I was just walking out of work and that tree just got struck by lightning right next to me. My car is right there. It just struck right there when I was in the parking lot. This guy doesn't care. Dude, I was walking out when it struck. I was standing right by my car. Dude, it hit so hard I ducked down next to my car.
Yeah, dude, it scared me. I was out checking people in right now. I'm surprised there weren't any cars on that bridge still.
Well, anyways, back to work.
Fucking family, man, this shit was brutal.
Should be stopped too. Yeah. And now this is what's going on. Back for my delivery, and it looks like they put the tree out. They're still over there working on it. Hopefully the rain helped. That shit was crazy. Subscribe to StroopTube TV on YouTube for more exciting videos. Do you have any marshmallows?
Right?